Hello everyone. I hope every one of you is doing fine and are taking care of yourselves. My name is Kanika Tandon and I'm back with the video of class 6th English 2nd. In our last video we had completed till the explanation part of the poem Vocation, that is on page number 55 and 56, and in today's video we'll be doing the question answers and the exercise of that particular poem. So let us start the video with the question answers of this poem. Okay, so coming on to the exercise, first part, making connection. Read these lines and answer the following questions. First one is, every day I meet the hawker crying bangles, crystal bangles, and there is nothing to hurry him on. So this is the poem extract that has been taken from the poem, and according to this extract we have to write the answers. So at what time did the persona meet the hawker every day? So the persona met the hawker every morning at 10 when he went to school. Next is, why do you think the hawker was not in a hurry? So the hawker was not in a hurry because he didn't have a fixed time to go anywhere. He roamed around the whole day to sell his bangles. So according to persona, the hawker was not in a hurry because he didn't have a fixed time to go anywhere and he roamed around to sell his crystal bangles. Last is, was the persona in a hurry? How do you know? So we have to write whether the persona was in a hurry or not. So yes, the persona was in a hurry. He was walking to school and was likely to be punished if he reached late. So we have already studied it in the poem that if since the persona is going to school, so he has to reach on time, and if by any chance he'll not be able to reach the school on time, he might get a punishment. Coming on to question number B, he does what he likes with his spade. He soils his clothes with dust. Nobody takes him to task if he gets baked in the sun or gets wet. So this is the second paragraph. These lines are taken from the second paragraph, where the persona is very fascinated to see the gardener doing work in a house. So question number 1 is, who was the persona talking about? So the persona was talking about the gardener. Explain the expression baked in the sun. So this expression means getting tanned due to spending a lot of time in the sun. Next is, did the persona envy or pity the person he was speaking about? Give a reason for your answer. So let us clear what is the meaning of envy or pity. Envy means is to get jealous of someone, and pity means to feel bad for someone. So we have to write whether the persona was feeling jealous of the gardener or was feeling bad for the gardener because he had to work under the sun. So the persona envied the gardener. He was jealous of the gardener and even wished he was one. He felt that he would enjoy staying dirty and digging in the garden without anyone asking him to clean up. So according to the poem, the persona was he really wanted to be a gardener, because according to him, if he becomes a gardener, he'll be able to roam around here and there. He can get wet without anybody's permission. He can work with spade and also under the sun. So he wanted to become a gardener basically. So he was very jealous of him. Next is, did the persona envy? Okay, we have already done this. So let us come on the third one. C question is, just as gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed, I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. So this is taken from the last paragraph of the poem, where the persona wants to become a night watchman. Alright, first question is, what could he see from his window? So when the sun set, the persona could see the watchman walking up and down. Do you think the persona wanted to go to bed? Why? No, I don't think that persona did not. No, the persona did not want to go to bed. he wasn't sleepy and watched to be outdoors with the watchman. So since he wanted to be out in the dark and lonely streets with the watchman, he obviously did not want to go to the bed, that too this early. Next, what do you think the persona felt about the watchman's job? So we have to write whether he wanted to take that job, whether he was very happy about the watchman that he has to do such a great job, or he was sad about it. So he felt that watchman's job was very interesting as he could be out in the dark, lonely streets the whole night instead of being sent to bed forcibly. So according to the persona, he was actually forced to go to bed this early. He does not want to go to bed early, but since he is a kid, he has been asked forcibly to go to the bed. So according to him, the watchman's job is really good because he does not have to go to bed forcibly, and he can stay out in the dark and lonely night, lonely lanes at night all alone. What are the different professions mentioned in the poem? Why do you think the persona would like to take up one of these instead of going to school? So the question is, what are the different professions that are taken in the story? So first profession was being a hawker, another one was being a gardener, and last one was being a watchman. So and then we have to write ki why do you think ki persona would want to get a job instead of going to school even after being a kid. So different professions mentioned in the poem are that of a hawker, a gardener, and a watchman. The narrator wanted to take one of these professions because he was too young to realize the importance of school and thought that he could escape school by doing one of the jobs. So exactly, this was the only point, right? He was too young to realize that if he studies well in the school, he can get a better job. He was just so fascinated with the jobs, and he actually did not want to be under someone's control, and he also did not want to follow a particular routine. So he thought ki okay, though the people those who have jobs can go here and there, do whatever they feel like, है ना, but he did not know कि okay, they also have some kind of restrictions that they have to follow. So and also he does not have any kind of does not know any kind of importance that we have for school. And also he didn't realize how difficult the jobs actually were. He thought that people were enjoying themselves. Alright, so he was a kid, it is not his fault. He might have thought this way, but he just wanted, he did not does not want to, you know, follow a particular routine, go to school every day, come back from school every day, do the homework. He did not wanted that. So that's why he thought that getting a job could make things easier for him, but he does not know actually that it is very tough to do a job more than studying in the school. Last is a perspective is a point of view. The persona envied the people he met every day. If these people were to describe the persona's life from their perspective, what would they say? So in this question they are asking, actually this is a question that you can write on your own. So in this question they are asking whether how these people might think on this kid's behalf. Alright, so we have to write what all things are there that these hawker, gardener and watchman would have thought. So I get so tired digging, working, or carrying heavy loads of bangles, staying up the whole night every day. My job is so difficult and boring, yet I must continue to work in order to support my family. I see a young boy going to school every day. I wish I could be as lucky as him. He has no cares in the world. He must be having so much fun playing and studying with his friends in school. So you can also write these answers on your own, not these answers, only this answer on your own. because we just have to write the perspective of these people the boy met. Alright, so perspective can vary from student to student, so it is your wish. You can write it on your own if you want, and if you do not want to write on your own, you can write from the video.